The DJI Mini series has consistently been a game changer in the world of drones, offering a balance of affordability, advanced features, and ease of use. Its popularity has surged, especially among beginners, thanks to its compact size and user-friendly interface. Following the DJI Mini 4 Pro's release, which saw mixed reviews due to its marginal upgrades, the anticipation for the DJI Mini 5 Pro is at an all-time high. One of the biggest upgrades expected in the DJI Mini 5 Pro is its imaging capabilities. Imaging is a critical aspect for any drone, and many users were underwhelmed by the DJI Mini 4 Pro's 1/3-inch sensor. This time around, the Mini 5 Pro is rumored to feature a larger sensor, possibly a 1-inch sensor, which would bring about major improvements in image quality. A larger sensor means better light capture, which translates to clearer and more detailed images, especially in low-light conditions. Drone enthusiasts love capturing evening cityscapes, sunset landscapes, and even northern lights, and the improved low-light performance of the Mini 5 Pro could make these scenes pop with reduced noise and greater detail. While the DJI Mini 4 Pro already supports 4K video resolution, users are looking for more in the Mini 5 Pro. Rumors suggest that DJI might introduce 5.7K or even 6K video recording options, a leap that would give creators even more detail to work with. With displays becoming increasingly high definition, capturing footage in higher resolutions ensures your videos will remain sharp and relevant for years to come. Higher resolution isn't just about visual clarity, it also gives users more room for creative editing. You could zoom into a scene, crop footage, or extract still images without losing quality. With the Mini 5 Pro, users are hoping for a significant upgrade in storage capacity. An increase to 8 gigabytes or more of internal storage would be a welcome addition, offering more flexibility for long flights without constantly worrying about space. In addition to internal storage, having the ability to expand storage via a micro SD card is a feature many are eager for. Additionally, the Mini 5 Pro could feature improved battery management software, optimizing flight efficiency to maximize battery life. Advanced algorithms might allow the drone to make better decisions about power consumption, enabling more efficient energy use throughout each flight. 360-degree obstacle avoidance, in particular, is at the top of many users' wish lists. With 360-degree obstacle sensors, the Mini 5 Pro would offer enhanced safety and greater ease of use, particularly for novice pilots. In addition to enhanced obstacle avoidance, the DJI Mini 5 Pro could also see the introduction of new and improved flight modes designed to give users more creative control. For example, waypoint mode is a highly requested feature, allowing users to pre-program a flight path with specific waypoints. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe.